Hello, everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about group buy. So last time we did group buy, so today we're just gonna do it again. Okay? So let's do group buy. But we have a couple of questions to do. Okay? So just a couple of questions. So it's just a couple of questions we have to do here. Okay, I'll put it there. No, skip back. Okay, so we've got a couple of questions. All right. Here are the questions we have to do. So let's start. And oh yeah, here's our PDF, which we've already downloaded. Okay, so import pandas, oopsies, std, oopsies, pd. Okay, and then df equals to pd dot read csv. Okay, not read, yeah, csv group by underscore dataset dot csv. No, we don't need that. I hope this works. Should work. Go. Okay, so it works. It was just my model. Okay, now let's start. So, first, so if you don't know group by, if you watched my last video, then you guys would have probably known about this. So, let's start with it. Find the total amount, which is the sum, for each city. Okay, so, um, that's what we're gonna do. So print df.groupby because we want to add. So basically, if we have a column that city that a column that's a duplicate, then we can group it with another column. Okay? So df group by city, and then we do amount. Okay. Oopsies. Dot sum. Dot sum. Oh my god. Dot sum. Yeah. Now what it's going to do is going to print the cities with its sum. Okay, so since there's a duplicate in cities, we just add those up. That's what sum means, and we get this. So first question worked. Now find the average for each category, quantity for each category. So to do that, we just do the same thing. Let's copy this. Yeah, let's copy it. Put that one here. Okay. Category. And then we do quantity. And since average means mean, we put mean. So a mean means you add up the total numbers Okay, and then divide that by how many numbers are there. Oops. And there it is. These are our means for each category. Okay? The average, you could say. They're similar. Now find the total amount for each city and category. So to do this, we do print for each city df dot group by oopsies group by some city 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 comma something city what was it called city comma oh yeah, I forgot to put this thingy here comma category square bracket again, I'm pretty sure. Oopsies. So, never mind, because that would have not worked. So, amount, oopsies. Amount dot sum, because we're finding the total amount. And we got it. For each city, we have a category. And then from that, we have to find the sum. So that's what we did for each city and category. Now find the maximum number amount for each city. We'll just copy this. Oh, Control V, Control V. Find the maximum amount for each city. Okay. So we'll do this. Put here amount. Then just press max because that's the function. And it'll find the greatest number, greatest amount from the city. Okay? And now count the number of orders from each city. So to do this, okay. So we're counting. So you have to use same thing, but all we have to do is just count. Use the count function. Simple. What it means by orders, it's like for amount, quantity, and all that stuff. Okay? So, what we're gonna do here. Okay, and count. Now I'll print how many orders there are for each city. So that you can see here, that's how much orders are there for each city. Now for the last question, find sum and mean of amount for each city. Okay, we can do that. So we'll just copy this city and you don't need this anymore because now we're going to use a list, which is this. Actually, we're going to make this a dictionary. So we're going to use the curly braces and put them on, which is Try. A oopsies, my bad. AGG because these are multiple aggregations, so that's why we gotta do AGG. Of course, we have to do that. Okay. AGG amount, so put here sum and do the same thing. Oh, yeah, that's what we have to do. And oopsies. Oh, wait, I forgot to add another bracket. What am I doing? Am I here? Right. Oh, not there. Never mind. Over here. Okay. So now when we run it, it gives us the sum and the mean for each city over here. Okay? So thank everyone for listening to my video on the Groupby. I hope you like it. And bye.